Hello, my name is Diana Fernanda Rodriguez Ortega. I have 21 years alive in San Pablo, Nariño, and assisted of nursing. And I fight study in Teunat, degree in pedagogy chades. I am person very active and I live not many places. About me daily routine, first bathe at 7 and high shower and I ready at 7 a.m. I to work in the hospital at 12 a.m. We chair tutor lunch at 2 o'clock and return may have and leave at 7 10 when arrive from my job front and the 9 p.m. I feel like doing university jobs and ciao 11 p.m. at this time late to rats. Imagine description. We have abroad knives grandfathers with my family que observe beautiful the parts a lot cotton Steven. The sap when pensar about is Luzdari grandmother is meets about I fat in a black chair very haps. Mahmoud hat but Samuel it's cheats red mine if Sandra vino tinta. Thus I haven't that's the wet headed by